In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily hide your profile on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, open up Facebook app and then head over to menu. After that, tap at that gear to open up settings and privacy, and then scroll down until at audience and visibility section you will find how people find and contact you. That's where, if you want to set the highest privacy level for your Facebook profile, you need to choose the highest limitations for each of those options. Let's start with who can send you friend requests. By default, it is set to everyone. However, we can set it to friends of friends simply by selecting that option. Also, we can limit who can see your friends list. We can select public, friends, friends except some particular users. We can just specify friends who will be able to get access to our friends list, or like in my case, we can just set it to only me. Down below here, we can also configure who can Facebook suggest your profile to based on your phone number or email address. That's where we can configure if people with our email address or with our phone number will get our Facebook profile in their suggestions. I recommend you to set both of these options to no one. And down below here there is one more cool feature. It is called do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? If you want to reach the highest possible level on your Facebook profile, I recommend you to turn this option off, like in my case. When this setting is off, search engines will stop linking to your profile, but this may take some time and your profile can still be found on Facebook if people search for your name. Just keep it in mind. If this video helped you guys, don't forget to hit the like button.